Right, so therefore, part B is saying to plot the points, okay? Plot the points, okay? Usable a suitable scale to plot the points. As you can see in the assignment, it says to plot the points. So what we can do, we can identify the points to be plotted. Okay, so you can create another row and call it points. And the first point, can anybody help me out? What is the first point? What are the coordinates of the first point? -5, 7. So when you see you plotting points, when you are identifying points, the x coordinate always comes first. Always remember that, please. The x coordinate always comes first. All right, you're going to encounter that in higher, especially 115. So the x coordinate, the domain, so that one is -4, 0. As you correctly said, is -5, 7. All right, very well said. So it's -4, 0. Okay, and then we have -3, -5. All right, -3, -5. And then we have -2, -8. And then we have -1, -9. We always call the x first. You have 0, -8. And then we have 1, -5. So these are the points that we have to plot. And then we have 2, 0. And then we have 3, 7. So I think we have just enough time just to plot one point. I'm going to plot -5, 7. So I'm going to plot -5, 7. As you can see, I have the graph already. I actually have the shape already. That is a parabola you're going to get. You're going to get a U shape, as you can see clearly. But I'm just going to show you how I got the U shape. The first point we said is -5, 7. So we have to look for -5 on the x. So here's my grid. I'm going to show you. I think we did that already. For the linear graph, we're going to look for -5. Here it's on the x, on the horizontal. All right. And then the vertical, we have to look for 7. Okay. So here's my guideline for 7. Let me look for 7. So this is 5, 6 here, and there's 7. Okay. So my first point, here it is. We just have time for one point. And here it is. Do we have time for another point? I think so, just one more. So that's the first point, -5, 7. The next point, -4, 0. So we look for -4. Here it is, and 0. And actually, I can actually see there is a point there already from the app I used. And then you plot the second point, -4, 0. And that's what you do for the rest of the points. Okay, so this one is already, that's -5, 7. Okay, so this one I have to use to bring down to plot -4, 0 right there. Okay, so thank you very much. So that's what we will continue with this next session. So continue doing what you're doing and have a good day, everybody. Yeah.